Good morning, students. Today I will start the exercise 2.3. Before that, I will teach you some important definition which is related to exercise 2.3. So you can see over here we have algebra of function. Algebra of function means plus, minus, multiplication, divide. In between the we will apply in a functions. So the first formula is f of x. This for the function fx tends to r and gx tends to capital R. We have f plus g. This plus is a function. We are applying the algebraic function. Okay, f plus g of x equals to fx plus gx. As same we have f minus g x equals to fx minus gx, where x belongs to capital X. As same as f multiplied, this dot means multiply gx equals to fx dot gx. Okay, as same as f upon g means divide sign we are going to apply here, would be f of x divided by g of x. Okay, so these function will apply in a exercise 2.3. So first I will start with some example. First example, let f of x, this is question, f of x equals to x square and gx equals to 2x plus 1 be the real function. Find f plus g, f minus g, f into g and f divided by g. So let's start to solve this question. F of x, first we will write given value, given f of x equals to x square and g of x equals to 2x plus 1. Now we have to find f plus g of x, means multiplication function we have to apply. Okay, here so f we will write f of x plus g of x. F of x value is x square plus g of x value is 2x plus 1. Okay, this, or you can write this is also the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is also the answer, this is also the answer. Okay, now the second function is, this is the first one, the second they are asking f minus g. F minus g of x will be f of x minus g of x. That means x square minus of 2x plus 1. That means x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay, this is the answer of f minus g. Now they are asking f into g, f into g, f into g of x. This is the third part, this is second one. So I am going to multiply x square into 2x plus 1. That means x square gets multiplied with 2x, so it would be 2x cube plus 2 plus x square. This is the answer. Now the fourth one we have f upon g, means divide rule we have to follow here. So fx, we will write fx upon gx. That means x square upon 2x plus 1. So these four answer, we have four answer, 1 2 3 and 4. These four answer, you know, are you understood how to apply these operations in this function? This is the addition, this is my subtraction, multiplication and the divide. Now let's start the exercise 2.3. First question is, which of the following relation are the function? Give reason if the function determine its domain and range. This is the first question. Second and third, I will solve the first one. Okay, so this is 2.3 exercise question 1. Given value is 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1 and 17, 1. Okay, so here we have to find the domain and the range. First we'll draw the diagram, what is the domain and the range. Okay, so domain and range. Domain value means whatever number is on the x place, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. So 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Now next value is 1, all value is 1 only, so we will write here 1. Now we have to relate this value, this is domain and range, so this is attached with this one. Okay, we have a relation, you can see over here 2, 1. So 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1, 17, 1. So these value whatever in the first oval is domain. So we have a domain 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and range is only 1. Got it? How to solve this question? Now see the question number 3rd. A function f is defined by f of x 2x minus 5. Write down the values of these. Means these value we have to keep it in this function. So let's start the question. Third. F of x equals to 2x minus 5. Now they are asking find f of 0, f of 7, f of minus 3. Means instead of this function, first we will write f of 0. That means 2 into 0 minus 5. That means 0 minus 5. So answer is minus 5 only. Okay, as same we have 7 also and minus 3 also. I'll do the minus 3. Okay, because most of the students is having doubt how to keep the minus value in the function. Okay, so the function is number 3rd. I am going to solve now. F of x equals to 2x minus 5. I have to find here f of minus 3. 2 into minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 6 minus 5, that would be minus 11. So the answer is minus 11. Okay, now see question number 4th. The function t, which map temperature in a degree Celsius into the temperature in a degree Fahrenheit, is defined by Tc equals to 9 C upon 5 plus 32, and we have to find T0, T28, T minus 10 and find the other value of C. Okay, so I'm going to solve the question number 4 of 2.3 exercise. Given value T C equals to 9C upon 5 plus 32. We have to find first value is T0. Means instead of C we will put there 0. Okay, so I'm going to keep here 0 instead of C. T0 means 9 to 0 upon 5 plus 32. So 0 plus 32, answer is 32 only. Now as same as I will find minus 10. Third question is T minus 10. So 9 into minus 10 upon 5 plus 32. Okay, you can cancel over here. 5 ones are 5, 5 2 is a 10, means to minus 18 plus 32. So we'll get the answer positive 14 because 32 is a positive sign. So we have the answer is 14. Now you can see we have a next in the 4th question. The value of C when Tc equals to 212, means instead of Tc we will keep the value of 212. Okay, so the given means this value, first we will copy what is given in the question. T of C equals to 9C upon 5 plus 32. This Tc value is given 212, 9C upon 5 plus 32. We have to solve this. Then 9C upon 5 equals to 212 minus 32. Let's subtract this value. We will get, and we'll get 9C equals to So we have 180. Okay, then c equals to 180. I will solve on the next page. This 5 is also in a denominator, it gets multiplied with this 180. Okay, so we have 9c upon 5 equals to 180. Okay, now c equals to 180 into 5 upon 9. That means c equals to 20 into 5, that means c equals to 100. So this is our answer. Okay, you understood how to solve this question? So this 2.3 is very easy, you can try at home also. Apart from that, we have some question from the miscellaneous exercise and some important definitions also. So let's start with the textbook only. First we have a modulus function. Okay, this is come for the 5 marks. This is most important for your first semester exam. Okay, so modulus function, the function f r tends to r defined by f of x equals to mod x for each x belongs to capital R is called the modulus function, or the absolute value function for each non-negative value of x, f of x equal to x. This is a modulus function, means we have a function here. We have a function is mod x, means whatever the value we will keep in the function is always positive because we have the modulus sign. So suppose I am keeping f of -1, in the -1 is the mod, will get the positive answer. If I'll keep the 2, then mod of 2 equals to 2, like that we will get the values. So we have to draw the graph here. So you please draw this diagram on the graph paper only. So first x-axis, y-axis, and we'll get the constant line on the positive side also and the negative side also. So we have this kind of graph is most important. This definition is also most important. It will come for the 5 marks. So got it? Why we got the constant line? Because whatever the value is 1, 2, we will get the positive. If we'll keep the negative value -1, we'll get the positive answer here, positive 1. If we'll keep the -2, you will get the positive 2. So that's why we have to draw this graph on the graph paper. If you'll keep the positive 1, you'll get the positive 1. So this kind of graph you have to draw on the graph paper. Now we have to write along with domain and range also. So how to write it? But if you keep the negative value, you always get the positive answer. So this is a function of the modulus value. So the function, this is important to write with the definition. F of x, x means x value we are keeping more than 0, and negative value we are keeping which is less than 0. So we'll keep this function value in this function. So then we will get this graph. So this is very important definition. Don't miss it. Please draw this graph on the graph paper also. Okay, apart from that, I'll start with the next definition, which is greater integer function. So the function f tends to r, capital R, defined by f of x, x belongs to capital R, assume the value of the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Such a function is called the greater integer function. Okay, so this kind of graph we have to plot here. What if I keep the negative value, you will get the negative answer, -2 you will get the -2 answer, and if you keep the positive value, you will get the positive answer. Okay, so this is the diagram for the greater integer function. So these are the very most important definition. We have more definition also, which is the identity function and the synonym function. So let's start with the synonym function. This function, what I taught you, greater integer function, we have to write each definition, we have to write this kind of function also. So greater integer function is this. Okay, so this value, the according to definition, function x we are keeping the -1. So this range you have to mention in the definition. Right, now I'm going to start with the synonym function. This is a diagram of the synonym function. Let's R be the set of real numbers, then the function f r tends to r defined by f of x equals to mod of x upon x, the value would be 1, 0, minus 1. If you keep the value x is always greater than 0 means always positive value are keeping, then 0 value we are keeping, then negative value are keeping. So with the help of this function we have to draw this graph. Okay, how? If you keep here 1, okay, I'll show you. See, we have f of x equals to mod x upon x, and the function is 1, 0, minus 1, x is greater than 0, x equals to 0, x is less than 0. Okay, so this is the sin function. Okay, you can see, you have to draw this diagram on the graph paper, x and y axis. Okay, whatever the value I'm keeping here, minus 1 or 1, okay, it will go the positive value. We always get the answer on the y-axis. If I'll keep it on the negative minus 1, we'll get on the minus 1. So this is called the sin function. Now identity function, let's R be the set of real number. A real value function f is defined f r tends to r by y f of x equals to x. For each value of r belongs to r, such function is called the identity function. Means if you keep the 1, you will get the answer 1 only. If you keep here function f of 2, you will get the answer 2 only. Okay, so we will get the constant line is called the identity function. So today this much only, then tomorrow onwards I will teach you next video I will teach you miscellaneous exercise and we will finish our chapter. Okay, so thank you.